Hi there, and welcome to this episode of Consciousness Empowerment. Here we talk about consciousness, spiritual laws, and how to reach your fucking dreams. Today we're gonna go over how to utilize the power of rational thinking. Chapter 5 in the book Psycho-cybernetics by Maxwell Maltz. This is the part 2 because I know I already did the first part of it. My biggest takeaways are this. One, before we get started, before I get to everything, okay, make sure that you answer these questions. Are you ready to learn and apply? And two, are you ready to be the best version of yourself? Are you ready to go after what you truly want, not what somebody else wants, not what your parents want, not what society wants, not what your friend wants, what you truly want in your heart? If you said yes to those questions, stay to the end so you get all the nuggets. If you said no, get the fuck out because it's not going to benefit you. This is this mental and spiritual gym here. All right. Now, my biggest takeaways are one, you choose where you're going. Focus on the destination. Focus on the destination. Focus on the destination. Because if you don't have a destination, you're like a log in the ocean, or you're a ship in the ocean without a fucking destination. Where are you going? You're nowhere. Just random wherever people are telling you to go. So make sure that you have a destination, you have a goal. Now, second, it is your subconscious mind or your automatic success mechanism that's going to take you where you want to go. So focus on the goals that you want, because your automatic success mechanism is going to give you success in what you're looking at. It's going to give you what you want. It's going to give you what you want. If you're thinking the bad shit, it's going to give you the bad shit. So be conscious, be aware, and recognize that, oh, this is a bullshit idea that I'm having right now, or this bullshit thought that I'm having right now. Let me change it. Everything's good, right? For example, maybe you might get a hit of anxiety all of a sudden. Maybe you're out in the public. You're like, I'm fine. Nothing's happening to me. No, nothing's going on. Okay, I had to go through some of that shit because of my past, being involved in crews and gangs and being incarcerated. So I gotta be like it's that post-traumatic stress disorder type of thing that goes on. It's a real thing. Why? Because it's a fucking habit. It's habitual. It's a habit. The way your vibration, the way you vibrate at is habitual. So you gotta change it. Okay? Gotta change it. That's why you have to change it with new beliefs. Ones that I like are: I am safe, I am happy, I am safe. I am happy, I am healthy, I am safe. I like saying that one over and over again because it just puts me in a good state. I am happy, I am healthy, I am safe. No matter where I'm at, even if I'm in my apartment, I am happy, I am healthy, I am safe. Because then I feel those vibrations come up, okay? And so you could do this systematically. So throughout the day, if you're doing for health, you're doing this for money, you're doing this for love, just put on your subconscious audios or say the affirmations in front of a mirror or just say them. So you get in that vibration, okay, and start feeling that way that you would feel now, okay? That's one of the big takeaways that I have. And here's something that he shares. So these questions, right? If you have doubt about something, this is what you can ask yourself. Why do I believe that I can't? Then ask yourself, why do I believe that I can't? Then the thoughts will come up. Then ask yourself, is this belief based upon an actual fact or an assumption or a false conclusion? Then you ask yourself these questions. Is there any rational reason for such a belief? Like the anxiety one, right? All of a sudden you just feel anxious for no reason. Is there any rational reason for this belief? Like, no, not right now. I'm not standing in front of a train saying I need to run and get anxious about this shit. Could it be that I am mistaken in this belief? Yeah, definitely. Would I come to the same conclusion about some other person in a similar situation? No, that if there's a guy or a girl just sitting right here at the park, they shouldn't be feeling anxious. Why would I continue to act and feel as if this were true if there is no good reason to believe it? I shouldn't. Fuck that belief. Let's go on to better belief. I am calm and relaxed. I'm enjoying the sunset or wherever you're at if you're at the park, right? This was an example of the park. Or at the mall, or at the bus stop, things like that. Just everyday things, right? So this is how the Rational thinking can help you. And then here's another one for your feelings. If you feel a certain way, ask yourself, what do I need to believe in order to have this feeling or this experience? That the world is not safe. Okay, that's bullshit. I've been safe all my life. If anything, I'm the one who's harming people. And so that's a way to get rid of a belief. And another one is ask yourself, what am I feeling? Okay, I'm feeling XYZ. Can I allow myself to feel this feeling? Yes. Can I release this feeling? Then you probably get yes or no. If it's no, just say no. No. Can I release this feeling? Yes, I can. When? Now. So it's a 5-point question. Okay. And do it over until you get a sense of relief. These are all important questions, but the important thing is to get a sense of relief. Now, this is such a huge fucking chapter. It's like, wow. Those are the main points that I got from this chapter. It's about your self-belief and just doing the thing that you gotta fucking do. You don't know unless you try. Try, and then autocorrect. Like in the beginning, we talked about autocorrections in part 1. Autocorrections. The missile fucking moves to its target, and it moves when the target moves. So if you make a mistake, that's you moving, the target moving a different way. You just dipped down. It dipped down, so you got to dip down too, or it goes up, and you turn side to side. Same with your goals. You made an error, just fix it. Don't do it again. You're not a failure. Okay, it's just a mistake. All right, you learn your lesson. Now keep moving until you hit the success. Okay, until you achieve the goal, and then you're gonna have to go for another one, and another one, and another one, and another one. Because life is about growth. Spirit, life is about growth. Spirit expresses itself physically. All right, so keep going for more and more and more. And this is from my past. This is past Miguel. He got these points. So, okay, so I'm gonna go over these, and then we're gonna wrap it up. Points to remember. Results come from the automatic machine or the subconscious. Automatic machine is habitual. So see yourself as success over and over and over again until it becomes a subconscious thought. The subconscious mind gets impregnated, and then it expresses the ideas through repetition and holding it in a relaxed state, not through anxiety, not through tense, not through worry. That'll kill your thought. You won't get the thought. Okay. And number 2, do the work. Act as if failure is impossible. Leave the results to take care of themselves. Let the subconscious mind take care of it. Okay. Because when you have the thought that you have immense power within you, you have so much latent power. There's a power within you to do anything that you want. It's only your past thoughts and your beliefs that are stopping you from that. Then just, ignore past failure and move forward with knowing that you have everything you need within you. The skills and everything that you need is within. Let the automatic mechanism do the trial and error and learn from the trials and errors to win. That's just how basketball is too. These basketball teams, they lose games. They don't go undefeated. They lose games. They learn. They adjust, and they win a championship. Okay. Decide and focus on what you want. Focus on what you want. You want to see yourself in shape. See yourself in shape in your mind. All right. And all the knowledge is going to come to you, or you're going to strive to it automatically, subconsciously. Thought is not in time and space. So it transcends time and space. So you're going to get the thought, the knowledge, intelligence isn't physical. It's not physical. So it'll come to you. That's how you get hunches of moving and doing things, right? That's your intuition, okay? And it's a spiritual understanding. And if you want it, it's yours. If you have a desire, you can just picture it now with it. Not just do it over and over again so your subconscious mind gets impressed with it. So you see yourself ripped, see yourself with muscles, and then you're going to start getting muscles. Money. Start changing your beliefs. There's more than enough. Receiving abundance is my birthright. So I allow it in daily. And it'll start manifesting. It'll start being true. Your subconscious mind, all right, he has abundance. She has abundance. Let's fucking make it happen. He has more than enough. Let's make it fucking happen. Automatic mechanism. You just choose and let the subconscious mind, the automatic mechanism, the automatic success mechanism do the work. Okay? And then when you get those hunches, then you do the work. You don't just, just like when you're playing golf, you're not just gonna lay there. No, you can see it for a second, see the end, see the ball getting hit. You swinging the ball, hitting it, and then hits next to the hole. You see it bouncing and then going in. So now you just be relaxed, do the fucking work, boom, hit it. It's gonna go. Your body's gonna allow it. Your body's gonna do it, and the universe is gonna move things aside so it goes. Okay, and it goes in. Now, if you had a negative thought or a failure mind, you might hit the. I saw this on social media. You might hit the ball, the golf ball, and then an animal's gonna fucking come out of the fucking corner. A cat will come out of the corner and fucking hit it out of the way. So that's because you're like, oh, it was possible that I wasn't gonna make it. No, you weren't focused on the end, on the result. And if that does happen, okay, fuck it. Let me change my mindset. Or maybe you fucking fail at the swing. You don't even hit the ball. See yourself hitting it. Hear the pah, pah. All right. So wealth and then love. See yourself in a relationship. See yourself having sex with that person. See yourself at a restaurant or at the gym if that's what you want. For me, what ideally would be like me at a gym, and then after the gym, going to a restaurant, eating, coming home, and having sex. That would be my ideal relationship. And if she wants to work, she wants to be with me, she don't want to work, that's cool, right? She wants to be something serious, she don't have to work, she can have my kids. That would be ideal, so I don't have to visualize that. Okay, and then she'll be my assistant if she wants to be with me, But my purpose would be work. I wasn't trying to make that song, but I don't know, just saying it. So you create those thoughts, and then those actions that you're impelled to do, like working out for fitness and eating healthy, working and putting out the content, or making the sales, or talking to the people in the store that come into your store, whatever job you have, making the songs. Do that. It's habitual. Make that habitual, because then you'll get the results from that and then see yourself as a success, not that you're doing the work and then nothing comes. With the results with the women or boyfriend, right? Because 25% of the people watching these videos are women. See yourself in that relationship. What would you be doing in that relationship? See yourself doing it. See yourself doing it. And it'll happen. It is law, okay? Spirit must express itself physically, okay? Oh, Psycho-cybernetics, this guy, Maxwell Maltz, talks about your thought, and then your body must express it, okay? Yeah, that's another way of saying it scientifically. Your subconscious mind, you see your thought, your subconscious mind will start doing it. We have the results. We have the studies. People can practice in their mind, playing the piano, shooting the basketball, and improve without fucking lifting up a finger. That's the power of the fucking mind, okay? But you are mind and spirit. That's how you can get anything you fucking want. That's the last principle that we talk about here. Consciousness, spiritual laws, and reaching what you want. Because when you have the spiritual understanding, is that you can get anything you want. You have faith and you'll get anything. Trust me, anything that you want. Okay? Make sure it's aligned with God. God is life, love, and beauty. God is for more life. God is love. Love is and beauty. Okay? Everything grows. Everything is living. Okay, that's God. The absence of life is not there. It'll be darkness, nothing there. And even within the universe, everything, when we think there's darkness, there's actually life. There's light, X-rays, gamma rays, ultraviolet rays that we don't see. Okay? But I digress now because I kind of forgot what the fuck I was going to say. So let's visualize, okay? Oh yeah, life, love, and beauty. Wherever there's beauty, there's also love. But beauty is a creation. Without God in the mind, there's no creation. God is a creation. Again, going back to darkness and there's blank nothingness. That's the absence of life and God. But luckily we're in this dimension. We can create in mind, and then our avatar enjoys it. So we enjoy it 2 times. So we enjoy it 2 times, all right? So let's close our eyes, take a deep breath, in through your nose, take a little extra with your mouth, extend your stomach, and exhale. Push your stomach in. Now a regular one. Inhale, exhale. Now again, inhale, exhale. Close your eyes. Now visualize yourself having the thing that you want. Is it that body? Is it the woman or the boyfriend? Or is it money? See yourself with the money. What would you buy? How do you feel now that you have it? How would you think, feel, and act? Okay? How would you feel and act? What are the beliefs that you're going to have? Now that you have that, what do you believe? What are your beliefs? Now in imagination, touch it, feel it, taste it, smell it. Hold it. I'll take another deep breath. Exhale. Run it again. Take a deep breath. Drink a little bit with your mouth. Hold it. Exhale. Now open your eyes. I'll be calm and relaxed and cheerful. Know that it's going to manifest. You already manifested it in your mind, in your thought and word and belief. Now allow it to grow. Okay? Do this over and over and over again. Because the subconscious mind gets impregnated through repetition. Okay? Repetition and calmness. Being relaxed. So meditation is very important to practice. And then your subconscious mind will give birth to it. Spirit will express itself physically. It is law. Hope you like this one. Make sure to like. If you feel like liking, comment, subscribe if you feel like subscribing, and hit the notifications to know when the next video is coming out, okay? I love you. Make sure to share this with somebody who came to mind. And until next time, peace.